Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now, me and my friends will be creating a video game, and so I'm going to be creating a website to promote this video game. Now stay tuned for other videos where I'll be showing me and my friends making the video game, and I'll be showing you the process through which we make this game. So in this video, we're just going to be making a website to promote the video game, which we can put online. So we're going to be making this website out of HTML. So I'm using Visual Studio Code for this, but if you don't have it, then you can use whatever kind of app you want, and just start off by writing the skeleton for your HTML code. So we're going to name this document, for now, because our game, it was inspired by Fall Guys, so I'm going to be calling it Fake Fall Guys, just because we haven't actually come up with the name for this video game yet. Now, the title will be, we don't know what our game is actually going to be called, right? So we're just going to be I'm just going to put the title as game name. So, after that, I just want to put, like, all my friends' names and their YouTube channels on the actual website. So, I'm just going to put font, and then my name. I'm going to put all my friends' names. And now that I've put the entire names, I'm actually going to put the link to all their YouTube channels right here. So I'm going to do put A and then enter. And this allows you to put a link on the website. So if you don't have Visual Studio again, you can just pause the video and copy this part right here. Now, I want to leave a space in between all of these. And we're going to save it. Now we're going to see what it looks like. Now I'm going to make the size of the title, that's going to be 7. And the size for this will be size, let's go with 5 right now. So I'm going to save this, and put it on my desktop, open it up. Okay, that's not bad for now. Now the first thing is that we want all of this centered, actually. So I'm going to put align center. And I'm actually going to, I'm also going to add a background. For now, I'm just going to put a Fall Guys background. But as we create our video game, I'm going to put a picture of the gameplay into there. But for now, I'm just putting a Fall Guys gameplay. It's going to be 100.jpg, so 100.jpg. So now, unless there's another bug, like I get tons of bugs in my code. Okay, so that's not bad. Now we're gonna, in the space here, I'm gonna bring all of this stuff right here, all the way down to the bottom right here. And I'm actually gonna add some stuff to this. So to make it more fancy, I'm gonna put brought to you by oh my bad. So brought to you by, and then BR. Okay, so, and to split these two up, if you type BR and then click enter, it basically brings it down from one line to another line. It brings that code. So look, if I put a lot of these right here, just keep spamming it, and if you got it spamming, this should be easy. And then you're gonna save that, take it to the desktop, open it up, and okay, so that was a bit too many. So we're gonna take away some of them, save that, and you just have to keep trying until it's Okay, so I like how it is right now. I'm actually gonna leave an extra space in between brought to you by and all of our names. So yeah. Now now that we've done that, I'm gonna quickly put all of our channels into here. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna write the channel name. So my channel is the coder, and then in these two quotation marks right here, you're gonna put the link to that YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go right here where you have all like right now I have all my channels right here. So I'm gonna first my channel. I'm gonna take the link. I'm gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna take my friend's channel, which I have right there, and I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it right there. And my friend Manraj, he doesn't have a channel, so he's gonna make one though soon. So I'll put his channel in when he makes it. And you should go check out my friends' channels if you like watching people play Fortnite, because my friends have pretty good YouTube channels. So now that we've done that, let's see what it looks like. So I'm gonna open up the website. Okay. Oh, so I forgot to put the names of my friends' channels in here. So look, I'm putting his YouTube channel's name right here, and then the link here. And okay, let's save this and see what it looks like now. Okay, great. So now if I click one of these, it will bring me to my friend's YouTube channel, basically. So that's something that's pretty nice. Now, the last thing that I'm going to do in this video is put a play button. So the game we're going to be making is going to be an online game so that it's available to a lot of people. So what we're going to do is there's going to be a play button here, and if they click that play button, it's going to bring them to the online game, and that's that. And there's going to be a part 2 for this. I'm going to create like an ad area where I can put ads here and here, and also a thing where you can make your name for the video game. So to end this video off, we're just going to make the play button. Now I actually created all the code beforehand, so I'm just going to copy it and put it in here. Now if you don't, you can just take your time and do it. Just pause the video and copy the code that I'm highlighting. So just copy that and put it in the specific spot. So unless there's like a bug, because I get a ton of bugs in my code, it should. Okay, so I know what's wrong here. Basically, this is a play button, so that's all good. I just needed to put more space in between here. So BR. Oh shoot, BR. And then I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna spam it. Command save. Okay, so right now all of this stuff went down. So I'm gonna have to take a couple BRs away from here. Now you just have to keep on putting these down and then seeing, and if something's wrong, you can just change it, save it, and then just have to keep dragging it. And I know this is a tiring process, but it's coding, so it is tiring. So let's keep doing it until we get the perfect amount. I'm gonna add one more over here, actually. I'm gonna take one away from. Maybe I'll add actually one more. Okay, so not bad. Now that's it for this video. If you want to see part 2 of this video, stay tuned because I'm going to be making it very soon. And that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe.